Wanna know how to uninstall your Reolink application? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply, there are two ways you can uninstall Reolink from your device. So one thing is you can just simply hold your application and there you should be seeing two options. This trash can icon, you can just simply select it and then select uninstall right here, and then your application should be successfully uninstalled. Next, just simply head towards Play Store and on the search bar just type in Reolink, and once you're there just simply select its app icon, and here you can see uninstall, that should be right beside open. Just simply select it, select uninstall again, and after a while your uninstallation should be completed. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.